Classy Girls Hair and Beauty Supplies has the latest in hair supplies. Let's check out the feature on the store and see what they have to offer.
We have virgin hairs. We have the Peruvian, the Brazilian Remy. We have shampoos, types like Salon Selectives. We have the VO5. We carry hair cream like Motions, Optimum. We also have synthetic hair. We carry a makeup line mostly by Elves. We also have a kids section, kids bubble bath, hair tangling shampoo. We carry things by Pink. We have the Pink line where we have the lotion, we have the splash, and we also have hair accessories.
For the kids now, tell us, break it down for us what you carry for kids.
Okay, for the kids we have some shampoos, like the cartoon characters. We have the Dora, we have the SpongeBob, we have the hair tangling shampoo and the condition. So that's what we have for kids in store.
What do you carry for men?
Okay, I have some body wash for men. We have it in the white rain, and we have Nautica colognes and other type of perfume for men.
In this week's segment of Keeping Fit, let's see what's keeping Kejon busy over by Express Fitness Gym in Portmore. This segment is sponsored by Lasco iCool. Have you tasted the cran strawberry flavor?
Welcome to our next episode of Keeping Fit. Last week I had a hard time. Whew. This week it's all about the tricep press down right here at the Express Fitness Gym in Portmore.
This week we're looking at the tricep press down. It's an isolated exercise which works the triceps. So we'll watch as Kejon demonstrates. Bring your arms down, keep your elbows to your side. So as you perform the exercise, your elbows are stationary, like that. Set a 90-degree bend, in your elbow up and down. As you extend, you squeeze your triceps. All right, your knees should also be slightly bent. You take the pressure off your lower back.
As soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set a goal, talking matching Lambos. At 56 a gram, 500 grams though. Man, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the...
And before we go, let's see who takes the #1 spot on the Predis Top 10 charts.
Touch me, hold me tight, I wanna get lost in your life. Kiss me, tell me what I wanna hear, come closer, you're what I want. Take it to them, hey! Go! Go! Top of the world, tell me upside down, right? Every time you're around, show me what...
Gala WhatsApp and I send text. Me see the SMS. Me have to show interest. Me a one boy now make the girls vex.
But what is?
She not stop. She a text off the phone. She not stop.
Do the maths.
Me no see no boy when me afraid of. Me no see no boy when me afraid of. Me no see no boy when me afraid that you can't make me run left me area. So you feel like you can jape and bad me home. Me no face screw face with long coat, but I coulda boost them up like beat them flat.
Baby, you make me high like a 5 years bag of kiki. Customer care, girl, say you treat me. Wine for me, baby, go to the beat. Sex and the city burn all calories. And if me call you a freak, we sell a V. I this your love, you're not on. Let me love you.
If I love you, love me right back. The kind of love we keep you coming back. If I love you, love me right back. Don't ever leave me, girl, no do me so.
Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start.
She can break up. Girl, you a rocky broker. You know fi turn it that way. You a rocky broker. You know fi fling out your foot, then you a rocky broker. You know fi play with me body with the cocoa butter. You know fi sit down. You a rocky broker. Girl, wine fi the dan. You a rocky broker. Your body.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
Do a CT scan. Money pa my brain. Money pa my brain, dog. Money pa my brain. Do a CT scan. Money pa my brain. Money pa my brain, dog. Money pa my brain. Every woman, every man. Money pa my brain. Money pa my brain.
The amount of struggles on my face, man, I forgive thanks in a real life. In a real life. I pray, man, I pray, and I go on all the faith in a real life. In a real life. The amount of struggles on my face, man, I forgive thanks in a real life. In a real life. Enough used to say me not rich nowhere, but still one day I survive. Well, enough say me smile and know my life unhappy more while a little rice and mackerel. Still me hold the faith and I call pan Selassie God for make it in a life. Me know man happy. People might see me and smile and believe say everything fine and just through them can't see the inside more while man happy. Talk it out.
And that's how we end the show this week, guys. I'm your host, Michaela Leana. It's a pleasure keeping your company each and every week. Thanks to Classic Girls, Shop 127, Princeville Plaza, Constant Spring for the hair. See you next week.